Hi everyone, Kendall here with ES Solar. What you're about to see is something really special. This video is going to document one of our largest and most ambitious installs yet. From day one, we set out to capture the entire journey. The planning, the prep, the install, and everything in between. With on-the-ground updates and behind-the-scenes moments, we wanted to show you what it takes to bring a project of this scale to life. So sit back and enjoy the transformation from an empty site to full energy independence.